Hey, what's up? This is Mike Icee. How to replace your fuel filter on your Mercedes W212 E350. Okay, first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to get some parts, okay? So you need the fuel filter, and you should also, the parts you'll need are a fuel filter, a sealing ring, and a spacer ring. I reused my spacer ring and my sealing ring because I just assumed that it came in the box with the filter because it was like $100, so I thought they would include the O-ring, but they didn't. The O-ring is like $30, so you know, it is what it is. Okay, before we can actually remove the fuel filter and exchange it, there's a few things you have to do, okay? Before getting started. So your fuel level, it has to be below 3/4 of a tank. I did mine at 1/4. In the future, I'd probably do it with 1/8 of a tank. You have to remove the rear seat. That's super easy. Lower all your windows. Disconnect the battery ground for the main battery. Clean the fuel filter area. And also what they would like you to do is take one of those tap and dies. I think it's called an M6 by 1mm or something, and clean off the paint off the fastening. Clean the paint off the fastening lugs. Okay, now that the seat has been removed, you can actually get access to the port cover, which is on the driver's side. Okay, now you have access to the actual fuel filter, but keep in mind, that area needs to be cleaned really well. I didn't do a very good job of it. In retrospect, what I would have done is I would have taken it to the car wash, and I would have first vacuumed up in there, and then I would have used the compressed air to spray out the rest of the dust and then touch it all around to make sure that there's no static shock or anything. Shit.
Wait, what?
Okay, from there, all you have to do is put that locking ring back on and then fasten all the nuts. Remember that when you're fastening the nuts, you have to do it in a star pattern like this. So that's it. It's really not that hard, but keep in mind, gasoline can be very dangerous. So you should look up all the warnings and hazards and everything else, and put, have a fire extinguisher.